guys, and welcome back to the 12 tags of Christmas. If you guys saw yesterday's, that's fabulous. If you missed it, check it out. But we used a snowflake punch and we punched out some little snowflakes that we did not use the punch out yesterday, but we're going to use it today. So I'm just going to cut some scrap piece of paper that I have here, and I'm going to cut it at 2 inches. And there is a reason for that, and I'll share with that in a second. Then I have just this little strip, so I'm going to throw that away. And then I'm going to look at my scraps, and I see I have another piece. Actually, I like this color better. I have a piece of green over here. I'm going to cut this one at 2 inches, and we'll make 3 tags this morning, or afternoon, I guess is when you guys are seeing it. Okay, I need my little bookmarky punch. I don't know what the name of this is, but I just punch out the tag top like that. It looks great. It's little effort, but a big impact. And I could have done that with yesterday's cards too. I just wanted them to be a little different. And I wanted to show you guys another way that you could do it, and it was still easy, even if it wasn't perfect. All right, so now all we're going to do is take these and glue them onto this card stock. It's so simple. It's almost not even worth sharing as a idea, but I know that sometimes the small ideas or the little ideas are the hard ones to come up with. You just miss them. So I'm just going to, I know that I had cut out a total of 8 snowflakes, so I'm going to put 3 on 2 of them and 2 on 1 of them. I guess it would be a little better to put it on the snowflake so that I know that all of the little arms of the snowflake have some glue and the thing won't go crazy on us. And I just used some really pretty cardstock yesterday for the card that I had in my stash. So, you know, this is a no purchase tag for sure. And if you don't have a snowflake, but you have a heart, or you have a stocking, or you have, I don't know, I'm trying to think of something else that you might have that's a tree. Use those. That's perfectly fine. It doesn't have to be a snowflake. This is just the idea, and you guys can change it up as whatever works with you guys. And then you need to just add your little ribbon or tassel or baker's twine or whatever you want to add to each one of them. And I think I'm just going to use green for all of them. I'm really fond of this green. I like it. And you just fold this ribbon in half, stick it through for the front, and then using the loop, you stick the 2 ends of the string through the loop and pull. And there you go. Super easy and very nice. And it stays on there very nice and snug. Now you can either write your to and from on the front of this, or you can write it on the back of this. The choice is yours. Depending on the color of cardstock that you used, you could even line it with white if you wanted to. Like if, let's say you used black even, and you didn't have a silver or gold pen to write, or a white pen to write on it, you could easily just punch out cut 2 pieces, punch them both out, and put them back to back. And make your little, and then you could write on that side. And the ribbon would go through both pieces. So there we go. That's it. Easy as pie. But I think they're really cute. Hopefully you guys like them too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.